Let's take a Canvas Classic quiz in Respondus. Open Respondus from your app. In the app, log into Canvas. Navigate to your quiz. Launch ReadSpeaker WebReader by clicking on the tab with a speaker icon that is located on the left side of your screen. Before you start answering questions, click on the 3 lines to the left of the Listen button. Toggle on Form Reading. Form Reading will read your answers. Let's read the first question by highlighting the question and clicking Listen.
Which of the following was the first mechanical form of writing? Manual typewriter, word processor, electric typewriter, dictation.
Click on your answer.
You selected manual typewriter.
Now let's read question 2. Highlight the question and click Listen.
TTS stands for to speech.
Type in your answer. Highlight your answer and click Enter or Return.
You wrote text.
Scroll to the bottom of the screen. Click Submit. You have now completed your quiz.